To start this auspicious occasion, give me a heartily welcome our principal sir, and heartily our madam, and heartily lovely friends and all my dear friends. I am Sundar Pradhan from class 9. Today's our topic is never give up, a reason behind every success. And never give up is a auspicious mantra to every success. Success is not a destination. Success is a journey. Success is not a comma. Success is not a full stop. Success is a comma and a comma. Every person, consider a person to J.K. Rowling who faced rejection after rejection to rejection after Harry Potter to become a global phenomena. To let us the example of Mahatma Gandhi, who struggle of freedom our country. Many struggle, many troubles has come in their life, but he has not never give up. Faced many challenges and got the freedom of our country. And many we are students. We take success in our studies and become an IS officer and IPS officer to etc. And a businessman grow up. Businessman grow their business, and a milkman grow their every field. We wear every field to grow their own field. So conclusion: never give up to every person. To this is a auspicious mantra. That's all. Thank you.
Good morning to respected teachers, principal and all my dear friends. I am Ayush Kumar from Standard 9 and today I am here to share my thoughts on a topic which resonates with all of us. Never give up, a secret behind to success. Success is not final. Fatal is not a final. That's all. Thank you.
Ladies and gentlemen, good morning to one and all present here. This is Ravi Kumar from Standard 9. Today I want to talk about a simple yet powerful truth: never give up. It's the secret behind every success. Success is not a straight line. It's a winding path filled with obstacles, setbacks and moments of doubt. But if there is one golden thread that ties every success story together, it's this: they never gave up. Sometimes people may feel to quit. Some challenges, like sometimes we stumble, sometimes we fall. But what truly depends us into our every successful person you admire, from inventor to athletes, they never quit. That's all. Thank you. Have a nice day.
First of a very all of you, myself from Standard 9. I topic never for us. I secret behind every success. Every behind success of people us is a behind success is not is of many. Thank you.
Good morning to all of you, respected teachers, principal and all my dear friends. Myself, Sargisri, the student of 9th standard. Today my topic is never give up, a secret behind every success. Success is not a straight line going upward. It is more like a winding path with some even U-turns. There will be most. Thank you.
Good morning to all of you, dear principal, all my dear friends. Today myself is Kaif Ali from class 9. Today my topic is never give up. The secret behind every success. Success is the most important in our life, and your life is very successful in our education, in help for success. Success is a never give up for school. Thank you.
First of all, very good morning to all of you, respected teachers, all dear my friends. My name is Satyam Pasar from class 8. I am discussing the topic of the never give up of belong in chapter. About this chapter is no simple is about that. Never give up agent of the not successful. Even they never. That's all. Thank you.
Good morning everyone, respected teacher and all my dear friends. Myself Omraj from class 9. Today's my topic is never give up, a secret behind a success. First we known as what is success. Success is give to many challenges, hard work and personal struggles. For success was not a full stop. Success means growing, change our lifestyle, change our time and how to give success. Success give from hard work, struggling, face problem, face challenges. Thank you. Sir.
Good morning to all of you respected teacher, principal and all my dear friends. My name is Afridi Qureshi from class 9. Today I am going to deliver a speech on the topic on never give up, a secret behind of success. The unwavering determination to the every success our life in the distance of unwavering success in the thought of determination in every our life. We are also unwavering determination to the success.
Good morning to all of you, respected teacher, principal and all my dear friends. My name is Rashid Kumar from standard 9. Today my topic is never give up behind every success. Every success, the never give up behind every success, unwavering attitude to never give up. Never give up. The learning of attitude is failure to respond to our goal. Success rarely come in without challenges and the learning failure to the goal. Our thoughts about this.
A pleasant good morning to all of you. I am Sanjay Rehan from class 9 and I am present to deliver a short speech on the topic of never give up, a secret behind success. No one can become success without facing challenges. Also, Thomas Alva Edison failed many times before inventing bulb, and J.K. Rowling manuscript also failed again and again. But after that, Harry Potter became the global success. What the difference between them? They never give up. Giving up is easy when things are going wrong, but you can achieve real success when you are never give up. So the secret behind success is that to be patient, hard working and never give back. The another attempt can be your change everything. That's all. Thank you.
A very warm and pleasant morning to all of you, respected teacher, principal and all my dear friends. My name is Saraj Raj from grade 9. I am here to deliver a short speech on the topic of never give up, a secret behind success. Firstly, let us know what is success. Simply, success is defined as to achieving goal is known as success. But what we do at success? Success changes with time. As we grow up, our success changes. Never give up. Today our topic is never give up. It is a secret behind success. Why should we never give up? Let me explain you with the example of many great people like Mahatma Gandhi and Albert Edison. So Albert Edison, who was the inventor of bulb, he said that he invented bulb in his 10,000 attempts. So what happens if he give up in his 9,099 attempt? If he give up at that time, then no bulb was invented. So you can know what is the meaning of never give up. So never give up is a very important part of our life and for our success. That's all for today. That's all. Thank you.
Good morning everyone. My name is Sunny Yadav. I read in class 9. Today I am deliver a speech on the topic of never give up. Behind the success. Success is not easy to human life. They are very take time. We are take many times to. Thank you.
Good morning, respected chairperson, respected principal, respected teacher, and all my dear friends. I am Prakash Yadav from class 9. Today my topic is never give up, a secret behind every success. I said to that every person who has a same to do work. This means that every person who has a aim. This means that every person who has a success means that to do success. I look at many famous peoples like Albert Einstein and other many famous people success. Albert Einstein in many struggles and problem in our life very failure to fail after success. In many solutions who get a success, it is some of they are not success because low grade financial means low grade financial. Some are they not able to success. Some very reason of a low grade financial. He understand he understands low grade financial means that in his life a problem. He's continue to problem to success in their life. That's all. Thank you.
Good morning to all of all present here, respected principals, teachers, and all my dear friends. My name is Yahanana of class 9. I want to say about the secret to staying motivated in difficult times. Successful people understand the value of secret. The successful people understand the people of growing up even when do not feel like it. The many reasons of successful people behind every success. That means he read at night and the learning at the concept of in the morning, because the words are so very our minds are fresh, and the words are so very we do very learned. And thank you.
A very good morning to all of you. My name is Ravi Sarri from class 9. I am delivered to speech of the never give up, a secret behind every success. Successful person is a story, hardness and profession. Success do not easily overnight. A successful person is the thank you. Yes, sir.
Good morning to all of you, respected principal, teachers, and all my dear friends. Myself Aditya Yadav from class 9th. Today I am going to deliver a grateful speech topic, never give up, a secret behind a success. We all know that in our earth the biggest most creature is a human being. It is also known as a social creature. We in our scene like daily life, the person who wear more different think about society. Their answer is very simple. The person who live in nature of these people, their think about same. Like in chemistry, we studied that the polar substance were dissolved in polar and non-polar substance were dissolved in polar. Same like as the person who live. For nature of people live, and same as nature of people that thoughts were. We know that our topic about the person who secret motivated difficult time. We all know that in our earth not every can be observed very thing. It were many difficult parts and challenges faced for great success in our life. It a person has very aim in our life, they were struggle and many faces challenges and great in our success in our life. But some person have seen to difficult parts and challenges. They were diverse of path and unsuccess in our life. Like Thomas Alva Edison, it is an inventor of bulb. It is a British scientist. The people thoughts about they are 999 times fail in our life, but 1,000 times we are success in our life and change in our society. They were faces many challenges and difficult path for change our society. Like they depended upon self-confidence. the person who secret behind success, they depended upon self-confidence. But the person who depended anyone think that we are not success in our life. The person have self-confidence who were success in our life. Like Mahatma Gandhi is a great person in our India. They are also called the father of nation. They were a judge of high court and very rich person. But people who moralized and seen, they were very obstacle and struggle for many person. And lastly, our country 2 century of British slave. And lastly, that person who struggled for about British, they were freedom in our country. In lastly, thoughts about in our world, person who 99% people are inspiration, but 1% are inspiration. They are change in our society and giver of success. That's all. Thank you.
A warm and pleasant good morning to all respected teacher, principal and all my dear friends. Myself Nitin Patel from Australia in class 9. Today I am delivering a speech on the topic of never give up, a secret behind their success. Success does not come easily. Every great person has faced failure, but they have never give up. This is secret behind their success. When we try something new, we will to know how to great success. For example, Thomas Edison failed many times before he invented the light bulb. If he given up, the world might still be in darkness. If we stop success, when we success does not come easily, but when we try something, success comes easily. That's all. Thank you.
Warm and pleasant morning to respected chairperson, principal, teachers and all my dear friends. This is Jyotish Kumar Singh from Standard 9, standing in front of you to tell about never give up, a secret behind every success. Success is not just like luck, it's about perseverance and determination, one of the biggest secrets of never give up. Every success can be achieved by hard work, positive mindset, willingness to achieve and always practice, means never give up. There are many great persons who has done many great works without give up. Like Thomas Alva Edison, he failed about 909 times, but he never gave up. Failure is a stair of success. Remember, challenges and failure are part of the journey, but they should never define you. So we can say that never give up, a secret behind every success. Thank you for your great attention towards my speech.
A very good morning to all of you. Myself Deepak Gupta from class 9. Today I am going to deliver a speech on the topic of a secret behind every success. First of all, I want to tell you success is not a magic. It is the result of a hard work, dedication, patience. And success can be achieved in a various area of life, such as academic performance, personal growth and a career. In this essay, we will explore that what success really means. Success can vary person to person, so we can say that success is a subjective and a personal. So many factors wants to every success, such as determination, hard work, patience, time management, positive mindset, determination, having a resolve to achieve goal, hard work, continuous effort toward a goal, create a solid foundation. In the end, we will do a hard work and talent are the important. A real secret of a success is a mix of a fashion. Thank you.
Good morning to all of you. My name is Rehan Jia from class 9. Today I am here to deliver a short speech on the topic of never give up, a secret behind every success. Success is something we all strive for, but achieving it is not always easy. Many people think that success is just about talent, luck, or behind in the right place at the right time. However, there is a secret behind every success, and that their solidity, never giving up. One of the most important things, remember always, when chasing success is challenges will come. And a setback or a failure obstacles can sometimes want to quit. But a successful people don't give up. They see failures as all experience and try again. That's all. Thank you.
A very pleasant morning to all of respected teachers, principal sir, director ma'am and all my dear friends. I am Vivek Kumar from standard 9 and today I got chance to share my experience on the topic of never give up, a secret behind every success. Success is not a straight path. It is a journey to filled with challenge and setbacks. The key to achieving success lies in mantra, never give up. Perseverance turn dream into reality. When faced with failure, those persist their learn and mistakes. Those were stronger. Like Alva Edison, he faced countless failure but never stopped and trying eventually and thank you.
Good morning to all of you respected teacher, principal and all my dear friends. My name is Raj Maurya. Today my topic is never give up behind every success. Never give up means keep always try and don't stop your work without your goal. Never give is an acknowledgement of success. It is a better time of use resource and effort. When we set our mind never give up, our success rate will be increased. Never give up is a virtual image. Not many people passes. We know that altitude always push the people, but hard work always achieve the goal. Success is not everyone has like a cup of tea. Success is a loss of sleep, day and night, loss of sweat and hard work. We only achieve with the help of never give up. But a small failure you come in a many process. Failure is not option of anyone. You must have failed and any process you should stand up and do it again. In any case, achieve the goal. Success is not without hard work and effort. Thank you.
So first of all, a very good morning to all of you, respected teacher, principal sir and all my friends. Myself Rohit Patel of Standard 9. Today my topic is the never give up, the secret behind every success. Success is not achieve our goals. It has to hard success. It means so let us different success. It has required to hard work, patience. Those people had their success and their homes. It had too difficult to carry about home science. It required to very hard work, patience to their life. So, but what them to could happen to their could and take your hard work success. Then what do you mean to yourself? If you carry to about something like Thomas Edison and very difficult to carry about something in your class. That's all. Thank you.
So first of all, a very good evening to all of you, respected teachers, principals, judges and my all dear friends. Myself Satyam Patel of standing on a front of you and presently reading class 9th, and today we gave me a golden opportunity to share something about never give up, a secret behind every success on the behalf of CBSE competitive school. So life is full of challenge and success and does not come easily. Every great person we admire today has faced a struggle, failure and obstacles. But what made them successful? Their determinations to never give up. Thomas Edison, who was the inventor of LED bulb, before he would invent a LED bulb, he failed 1,000 times. If he had never given up, the life is full of challenge and success. Before he would invent a LED bulb, he failed 1,000 times for a long time. So failure is not an end. The secret behind every success. Thank you.
Good morning to all respected teachers, principal and all my dear friends. I am Kausar Ansari from Standard 9. Today I want to talk about an important lesson which leads to success, and never give up, a secret behind every success. Life is full of ups and downs. Every great person, many great persons face failure before achieving success. Take the example of Thomas Alva Edison, who is the inventor of light bulb. Before making a successful light bulb, he failed thousands of times, but he never gave up, and he simply said, I am not failed. I have just found 1,000 ways that would not work. So his persistence led to one of the greatest inventions in history. So we always never give up. That's all. Thank you.
Good morning everyone. This is Abhinav standing before you to share my thoughts on the topic which resonates with everyone, especially in times of difficulty. Never give up. A secret behind every success. For this, I would like to quote Mr. Swami Vivekananda. Mr. Swami Vivekananda would believe that 1 ounce of practice worth $1,000 of theories. This means practice makes a man perfect. We should practice and practice till we get success. For this, I would like to say a shayari. नदियों से नौका पार नहीं होती, कोशिश करने वालों की कभी हार नहीं होती. I would like to say a poem which named Himalaya in Hindi. खड़ा हिमालय बता रहा है डरो ना आंधी पानी में. खड़ा हिमालय बता रहा है डरो ना आंधी पानी में. खड़े रहो तुम अविचल होकर सब संकट तूफानों में. डिगो ना अपने प्रण पे तो तुम सब कुछ पा सकते हो प्यारे. डिगो ना अपने प्रण पे तो तुम सब कुछ पा सकते हो प्यारे. तुम भी ऊंचे उठ सकते हो, छू सकते हो नभ के तारे. अचल रहा जो अपने पद पर लाख मुसीबत आने में. मिली सफलता जग में उसको जीने में मर जाने में. मिली सफलता जग में उसको जीने में मर जाने में. So we should labor and have a determination towards never give up. We have to become an asset for our country. So we should have necessarily tendency to never give up. That's all. Thank you and have a nice day.
First of all, a very pleasant good morning to all of you. I am Tasham Jangir from class 9. I am standing here to introduce about an important topic for you. That is never giving up, a secret behind every success. Never giving up is a fundamental principle that successful have embodied throughout history. Those who have reached their goals, who are willing to keep going, even when things do not go their way. It is natural to feel discouraged because when things do not go as planned, it is crucial to realize that failure is not the end, but rather a lesson that will benefit you as you do not give up. The journey towards success is not always smooth. Obstacles and setbacks are inevitable, but this problem should not make give up on your goals. Instead, you should to push work harder toward them. When you fail, you need to take a back step and look your situation from an outsider point of view. Ask yourself what went wrong and how you can learn from the experience to prevent similar mistake in the future. You should also remember that success is not a destination. It is a journey, and you should enjoy this journey with complete preparation. Success cannot be achieved in just one day. It can be achieved in day-to-day activities, experience, and your skills. Like Thomas Alva Edison is the great example of never give up, because it can be 1,000 times fails to invented bulb. But in last day, it can be 1,000 invented bulb. Your trust and patience are the most important things to achieve your great success. Thank you.
Good morning to all of you, respected teachers, principals, judges, and all my dear friends. I am Meenakshi Singh from Standard 9. Today, I talk about the never give up. Never give up behind every success. The never give up is a success to all person.
Good morning to all of you, respected teacher, principal, judges, and all my fellow competitors. This is Saina from class 9. Today I am here to deliver a speech on the topic of never give up, a secret behind every success. Success may look like a magic, but behind every achievement is a story of hard work, failure, and determination. The truth is, no one succeeded without struggle. Every step you take forward, no matter how small, but no matter how small, bringing you closer to your goal. So remember, failure is not end, it is a part of journey. So strong, stay, and most importantly, never give up. Thank you.
Good morning everyone, myself Ragini Singh from Standard 9, and today I am going to speak on the topic of never give up, the secret behind every success. We all face problems in their life, but it does not matter, we should stop trying. Some great people like Thomas Edison, who invented the bulb, and he fails many times in their life.
Never give up is a word which gives a positive power to achieve your goals. If you think you are not good in any way, it is an absorbed thinking. Keep doing and trying it because you never give up will lead a success. Hello and good evening everyone. My name is Parul Singh from class 9, currently reading CBSE Competitive School Mahania in Kaimur. Today I am standing here to deliver a speech on the topic of never give up, the secret behind every success. Success is a journey, it is not destination. Many people think that success is lead of luck, but it is wrong thinking. It's success is the main things that we lead a straight main of our life. Thank you.
A lovely pleasant good morning to all present here. This is Akansha Kumari of Standard 9. Today I am excited to talk about never give up, a secret behind every success. Success is not a destination but a journey. The path of success is really hard. In life, the path of success is smooth. That's all. Thank you.
First of all, a lovely good morning to all of you, respected teacher, principal, judges and my fellow competitor. This is Sabha from class 9. Today I got a chance to share my thought on the topic of never give up, the secret behind every success. Today I want to share simple but powerful message. Never give up, because that is true secret behind success. From scientists to sport stars has faced failure, but what made them different? They never give up. Success does not come overnight. It take hard work, patience, and courage to keep going, even when things get tough. It is not the end. It is just a way toward learning and growing. That's all. Thank you.
Good morning to everyone, respected teacher, principal and all my dear friends. This is Humayat Azim from class 9. Today I would like to tell about the never give up secret behind every success. Success is not defined how many times we rise, but by how many times we choose rise again after falling. The path to success lies with challenges, doubt and failure. It is also come those who persist and who continues defeats the odds and who ultimately achieve greatness. The secret behind every success is latently pursuit for their dream. The courage, fail forward and determination to never give up. So, never give up, not matter too tired. The secret, the greatest victories come when we're ready to ride. So thank you. Have a great day.
A very peaceful morning to all and all present here. This is Alia Parveen from grade 9 and today I am standing here to share my thoughts on the topic of never give up, a secret behind every success. We all have dreams. Some want to be doctor, some want to be teacher, singer and even astronaut. But the road of our dreams is not always easy. Sometimes we fail, sometimes many people say that we can't do it. But you know what? Success comes to those who never give up. So let me give you an example. Have you ever heard of Thomas Alva Edison? He made his successful bulb after more than 100 tries. But what if he would give up? The light which has given by him would never exist in our life. He said that I was not failed. I just found 1,000 ways that didn't work. Even in sports, just like Virat Kohli, Cristiano Ronaldo and players like them didn't become a star in one day. They practiced every day, failed many times and never give up. So what we can learn: if you fall, stand up again. If you fail, try one more time. And someone say that you can't do it, so prove them wrong by doing it. At last, I just want to say that believe yourself, work hard and never give up. That's all. Thank you.
Next.
Good morning everyone.
We all have dreams. Some of us want to become a doctor, engineer, teacher, athlete or artist. But no matter what your dream is, the one thing is sure, the road to success is not easy. There will be failures, problems and the movements when you feel like a giving up. But it's okay. But that's exactly when you need to remember this, never give up. Yeah, I Aditi Singh from Standard 9th and today I want to talk about something equally important that can change your life. Never give up. A secret behind every success. Think about this. If Thomas Edison had given up after his first few failures, we often must still believe in the dark. But he tried. He failed over 1,000 times before inventing a light bulb. But he did not stop. He kept trying, and that's what made him successful. This same goes for all of us. Maybe you failed a test. Maybe something don't go the way you planned. It's okay. What matters is that you stand up, try again, and keep going. Success is not comes to those who are success does not come to those who are fastest and smartest. It's come to those who will keep trying even when things get tough. That's the real secret. So the next time when life get hard or life get challenging and studies get hard, you remember this. Every successful person was once where you are. They felt the same fear, the same pressure, but they try again and choose to move forward. That's the real secret. In the end, success is not comes to. It's not about how many times you fall. It's about how many times you move forward. Thank you, and always remember, never give up, move forward.
Lovely good morning to all of you, respected principal, teachers and judges and my fellow competitors. Myself, Ashia, I am currently reading class 9 at CBSE Competitive School. Today I am very excited to share my thoughts on the topic of never give up, the secret behind the success. Success does not come easily. It takes hard work, patience and most of all the courage to keep trying even when they are difficult. Many great people are failed in many times, but they did not stop and they never give up. One such person was Thomas Edison, who invented light bulb. He failed hundreds of times before he succeeded, but he kept trying until he got it right. Even we face many problems in our daily life, like in sports, education, and many more else. But if we keep trying, then we success. Always remember that winners never quit and quitter never win. So, my friends, let us promise to stay healthy and doing hard work or keep hard work. In last, I would like to one sentence about this topic. Never give up is the real secret behind the success. That's all. Thank you.
Good morning to everyone. This is Aradha from Standard 9. Stand before you to talk about simple yet mighty principle. Success is not about talent or luck. It's about perseverance. Think of Thomas Edison, who failed 1,000 times before inventing light bulb. When asked, he said, "I didn't fail. I found 1,000 ways that didn't work." That's the spirit. Every no, every setback is a step closer to yes. Thank you.
The secret of success is to set a goal and never stop until you achieve it, by Swami Vivekanand. With profound regards and immense honor, I wish the respected principal sir, hardworking teachers, beloved my brothers and sisters. Good morning to you all. I am Nancy from Standard 9. Today I stand before you to talk about a lesson that has shaped our future. Never give up, the secret behind every success. Success is something that everyone desires, but the journey toward it is never easy. It is filled with obstacles, transformations, failures, disappointments, and moments when we feel like giving up. However, history has shown us most successful people in the world are not those who never failed, but they are those who never gave up. The power of perseverance. There are countless stories of great individuals who faced multiple hardship but never gave up. Let us take Thomas Alva Edison. He was the inventor of the light bulb. He failed more than 1,000 times, but he never gave up. Finally, he gets succeeded. When asked about his failures, he confidently said that forget. I have not failed. I have just found 10,000 ways that do not work. This proves that failure is not the opposite of success. It is the part of the success. Another inspiring example is Colin Sanders, the founder of KFC. He was rejected 1,009 times before finally accepted chicken recipe. When he was gave up, then today will be not a KFC, will be global brand today. Similarly, the author of Harry Potter, J.K. Rowling, she faced multiple rejections from the publisher, but she kept trying, and today she will be one of the greatest authors in the world. Every great story begins with struggles. Let us talk about India's own success. Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam, the missile man of India, faced multiple exams in school, but he has never stopped learning. Coming from a humble background, he worked hard and become India's greatest scientist and beloved president. Ratan Tata, one of the India's most respected industrialists, he faced multiple failures, including the rejection of Tata Nano, but he never let setback to define him, and he was the one of the greatest, and Tata is a global brand today. PV Sindhu, she has lost many matches in her early career, but she never kept stop learning, and her disciplines make us strong and become a world champion in badminton. In conclusion, every choice is yours. When you like feeling giving up, remember, winners are not those who never gave up, but they are those who never failed. Thank you and have a nice day.
So first of all, a very, very good morning to one and all present here. Respected judges, teachers, and all my dear friends. I am Srishti Shri from Standard 9, standing in front of you all to deliver a speech on a very motivational quote. It is called Never Give Up, a secret behind every success. So first of all, we should know what is this quote means. It means to motivate every single person to achieve success or what they want in their life. But how? Imagine if someone is losing everything in his life, losing his people, losing his career, losing the hope to live. How can you say to him, don't give up? Is it make sense? No, it doesn't. But whenever a person feels that he is not having the willpower to live in this world, then he should think about the others who have worse condition than them. If I take the example, most of here my friends are taking the example of Thomas Alva Edison. But I'm not going that far. I'm taking the example of Dashrath Manjhi, a citizen of Bihar. He was not a very rich person or someone who made the history, but he created history by doing his work. What was that? It was that he broke a huge mountain. Why? Dashrath Manjhi belongs from a very low caste. He was called Mushar, a person who eats rat by killing them, who lives on them. And her wife died when she was married and in a young age due to that mountain. She fell from that mountain and he lost everything. She was the only member to him who was very precious. He doesn't have any source to earn much, but he was happy with her. So now he decided to break that mountain for her. People were mocking at him. People were criticizing him that how a foolish man is he. He's challenging a huge mountain. How can he do that? But still, his motivation, his determination was towards that thing, and he did and made the world believe that their determination is the willpower by which they can conquer anything what they want in their life. So I'm not going that far and giving you the example and tell you that you can also do. As students, we know that there are many persons, they achieve, like we often hear that someone achieved, he become IS and IPS officer in their fourth attempt, in their second attempt, in medical field also. How? Their consistency was the real willpower. So I want you to say never give up in your life, ever again. Thank you so much.
A lovely good morning to all and all present here. I am Pami Gupta from Standard 9, and today I got a chance to share my thoughts on the topic of never give up, the secret behind every success. Success is a journey, not a destination. Well, many people believe that success or talent luck leads to success, but the real secret lies in a powerful mindset, never give up. It is easy to admire for success people for their achievement, but the behind the story of success is a story of failure, struggle and perseverance. One of the key reasons that the people don't success in their life, they give up too soon. Obstacle can seem overwhelming and failure feel like the end.
then we can say that success, for example, Thomas Albert Einstein, who invented the bulb, he failed thousands of times. If he give up, then we might will have still two in the dark. So thank you.